One of the calculations that we do most often in our exam is solving quadratic equation, meaning we are faced with equation that has a letter to the power of 2 and then has letter again, no power. So always when in your calculation you have a letter and that letter is taken to the power of 2, what do you think about? Minus b formula. Minus b formula is on our page 20 in our table, if I'm not mistaken. And the formula is minus b plus minus, because we have two versions, b to the power of 2, not plus, my apologies, minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c, everything under the square root, and divided by 2 multiplied by a. In order to use that formula, I need to know what is a, what is b, and what is c in my equation. So a is the number that stands beside letter to the power of 2. In this case, that will be 3. b is a number that stands beside x with no power, or power of 1. So in this case, minus 2. Don't forget, it's not just 2. It's minus 2. That minus always comes with the number. And c is the number that doesn't have any x beside it. Now, you have to only remember one thing, that always make sure that there is nothing on the other side of the equation, meaning 0. Okay, so now let's replace our letters with numbers. So first b. b is minus 2. So we remove b here, we remove b here, and instead of that, we write minus 2. Okay, now we have a, and our a is 3. So again, we remove our a, and in that place we put 3. Now the last thing is c, and our c is minus 4, so we remove that and we put minus 4 in that place. We put all of that in the calculator, first with, or doesn't matter whether first or second, one version with plus, and the second version again with minus. And here we are to give the answer correct to 2 decimal places. So one value of x we should be getting is 1.54, and the second value of x we should be getting is minus 0.87. Now, just a word of caution when it comes to minus b formulas. The only one that gives us 2 answers. Always make sure that both answers are applicable in the context of the question. Here, we have no limitation to our answer. We are told that x belongs to R. Therefore, any number is a good number. Both of them are applicable.